Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing presentation using Canva. Go to Canva and click video. Let's choose this video resolution. Go to elements and scroll down to frames. Click see all and type quarter circle. And let's choose this part. Try to shape a circle. Select all and decrease the size and place it in the middle of the page and go to uploads. And after uploading your images, let's select this elements and rotate 45 degrees and drag the first image. Double click inside the frame and rotate it and adjust it as you want. Select all again and rotate 90 degrees and drag the second image. Double click inside the frame and rotate it and adjust it as you want. Make the same, select all and rotate 90 degrees. The third image, adjust this image as well. Select all and rotate 90 degrees again. The last image, double click and adjust it. Click done. Go to elements again and go to shapes and choose the line. Try to make the line between these frames. Choose another line. Increase the line weight to 20 and change the color to white. Make the same for the second line. Select all and place the circle exactly in the middle of the page. Go to shapes and choose circle. Increase the size and change the color to white and place it in the middle as well. You can go to position and choose center and the middle and download this image as PNG and increase the size. Download it and drag it to uploads. And now just delete all these elements and drag this image to the design. Increase the size and remove the background. Go to edit, page remover, and click restore and try to restore the parts that we lose. Go to edit, click shadows, glow, and make 5 in size and increase the intensity to 100 and increase the size. And try to place the circle like this. Go exactly with the order of the images in the circle. Let's click in the first one, increase the size, go to edit, go to blur, whole image, make 50, and go back. Click on the image, layer, send to back. Let's see the second one. We have this one. Make it the same. Edit, blur, whole image, 50, layers, show layers. Make it after this one. Let's rotate the circle and see the next one. Go to edit and blur. Fifty. Go to layers, show layers, and drag it. And the last one that we have is France. Go to edit, blur, whole image, and 50. And now add new page and go to elements and type gradient shadow graphics, and let's choose this one, rotate it, and increase the size and type your text, add new text, let's change the font to glacial and change the color to white color. Go to effects and use the left shadow and increase the intensity and type all your text, and after typing your texts select all and group, copy, go to the first page and paste, and make the same for the rest. And after creating all the text that we need, let's go to the first page and paste them in order. The first one is Portugal. The second one, let's copy the Italy. Select all, group, copy, and paste. Let's rotate. The third one is Spain. Select all, group, copy, and paste. The last one is France. Select all, group, copy, and paste. And now let's drag all of them and keep just a small transparent part. Keep just the first one. Go to layers, show layers, and click in all these images and make them transparent, except the first one, and rotate to Portugal. Let's delete these pages. And now duplicate, go to the second page and rotate. Click in this one, drag it to the left, and drag the second one, and click in the second image and increase the transparency. Duplicate, go to the third page and rotate, and make the same. Drag the text to the left. Make sure you keep this transparent part, and drag the next text. Go to images and increase the transparency. Duplicate again, go to the last one and rotate. Let's drag this text. Go back to layers and drag the last one. We make a mistake over here, so France in the top. And go to images and increase the transparency. Add transition, match and move. Increase the duration and click apply between all pages, and you can adjust the duration of each slide as you want. For example, let's make just 3 seconds, and here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.